What's the meaning of bulletin? Bulletin. Bulletin.
Bulletin. Bulletin. The word bulletin refers to a brief official statement or announcement issued to convey information on a particular subject or event. It is a document that provides updates on the latest developments, such as news, policies, or regulations, to a specific audience. Bulletins are typically distributed through various channels, such as print media, online platforms, or broadcast networks. These documents play a crucial role in disseminating important information and keeping people informed about ongoing events or situations. In summary, a bulletin is a concise and timely update that serves as a valuable source of information for individuals and organizations.